The question we are solving now belongs to test series 10. It is of control system subject. In specific, it belongs to Nyquist analysis. As per the question, the open loop transfer function of a unity negative feedback control system is given as 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2. From this data, we need to find the Nyquist plot of the control system. For finding the Nyquist plot of the control system, let us substitute s is equal to j omega, and upon substituting s is equal to j omega, we can get a g of j omega multiplied by h of j omega is equal to 1 by 2 minus omega square plus 2j omega, and upon simplifying the same we can get that 2 minus omega square minus 2j omega divided by 2 minus omega square whole square plus 4 omega square. Now let us substitute omega equal to 0 plus to get g of j omega multiplied by h of j omega is equal to 0.5 minus j0, and upon substituting omega equal to infinity plus we get that g of j omega multiplied by h of j omega is equal to minus 0 minus j0. That is, the Nyquist plot starts from 0.5 minus j0 and it ends at minus 0 minus j0. And also we see that upon equating imaginary part of g of j omega multiplied by h of j omega to 0, we see that tends to infinity radians per second. And also we see that the real part of g of j omega multiplied by h of j omega is equal to 0 for omega equal to 2 root 2 radians per second. That is, the Nyquist plot intersects with the imaginary axis for omega equal to root 2 radians per second, and it intersects with the real axis for omega as omega tends to infinity radians per second. Also we see that the system is type 0 system, hence there will not be any encirclements as omega is varied from 0 minus to 0 plus. So from this data we can plot the Nyquist plot of the control system as shown. The Nyquist plot at omega equal to 0 plus starts from 0.5 minus j0 and is at that point marked, and it ends at minus. So the Nyquist plot starts from 0.5 minus j0 at omega equal to 0 plus. So it starts from the negative, it starts from below the real axis due to the minus j0 point, and it ends at minus 0 minus j0. So it approaches the origin from the third quadrant. And also we saw that the Nyquist plot intersects with the real axis as omega tends to infinity radians per second, that is as omega tends to infinity plus, but it intersects with the imaginary axis at omega equal to root 2 radians per second, that is at the point marked. And as omega is varied from infinity minus to 0 minus, the Nyquist plot can be plotted as shown. Please note that the system is type 0 system and hence there will not be any encirclements as omega is varied from 0 minus to 0 plus. So from the given data, the Nyquist plot of the control system can be obtained as shown. Hence the correct option which represents the Nyquist plot of the given control system is C.